classic yet ultra-modern look to any space. The AT table quickly adjusts from standard height to cafe height with a slick industrial-style crank. The base is made of a 3-gauge solid steel that is stamp pressed from a solid sheet. Nylon leveling glides protect floor surfaces. Choose from a variety of high-pressure laminate top styles and classic colors, or match the base with a dark veined powder coat finished metal top. Pair the table with the small or tall indoor adjustable height stools. Quickly and easily adjust the stool by rotating the seat until you reach the perfect height. Offered in wood maple, walnut, or dark veined metal to match the table base. Modernize your lab, art studio, and kitchen, or make an impressive presentation in a cafe with the adjustable height AT tables and stools.